Now let us see the circuit diagram of the solar tracking project. The main part of this project is a microcontroller. This is the Arduino Uno microcontroller, and the second thing is servo motor. I am going to use this servo motor for rotating our solar panel, and the third thing is we are going to use two LDRs followed with the two resistors of 10k ohms. So now let us see the circuit diagram. Take an Arduino board and connect these two LDRs to the Arduino board. As we can see here, the LDR contains two pins. So the first pin of the first LDR and the first pin of the second LDR is to be connected to the 5 volt supply of this Arduino board. And the second pin of this LDR1 is to be connected to the analog pin of A0. Similarly, the second pin of this LDR2 is to be connected to the analog pin of this A1. Make sure that you are going to connect these resistors of 10k ohms via ground and the second pin of these both LDRs. So take two resistors and connect between the ground and the second pin of these two LDRs like this. So this is the connection of these LDRs, resistors and the Arduino board. Later in the second stage I am going to connect this servo motor to this Arduino board. Here we can see this servo motor has 3 pins. So the middle pin that is in red color is the positive pin, and the first pin is the ground pin, and the third pin is the data pin. So take a servo motor and connect to the Arduino board. At first, the first pin of this servo motor is to be connected to the ground, either here or here. And the second pin, that is the middle pin, is to be connected to the power supply. We can either connect to the 5 volt power supply or directly to the VIN. We can find VIN in the power pins of first pin. Here it is. And the third pin, that is for the data transferring signals, is to be connected to the PWM pins on the Arduino board. That is, either we can connect to the pin number 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. Here I am going to connect this to the pin number 6. So the third pin is to be connected to the pin number 6 via Arduino board. Now let us test by connecting this manually.